not sick. I will never love you more than Tim Burton movies. I will never love you more than reading bedtime stories. I will never love you more than Ellen DeGeneres. I will never love you more than DVD's night with my girlfriend, when we talk about stupid things like feelings and men. I will never love you more than my book collection. I will never love you more than self-satisfaction. And you say you love me more than anything, more than all your other ex-girlfriends. But I will never love you more than dancing in my room and drinking too much wine when I'm in the right mood. I will never love you more than taking road trips with my friends. I will never love you more than endless weekends. I will never love you more than kisses on the neck. I will never love you more than oh what the heck. I will never love you more than birthday parties when you found the perfect present. I will never love you more. And you say you love me more than all the girls you've met, even more than music, even more than sex, even more than anything. But I know it's just a lie. I will never love you more than sitting on the beach, and when everybody's left go skinny dipping. I will never love you more than telling secrets in the dark. I will never love you more, 'cause then you would break my heart.